Good evening, friends. My name is Okoyeocha. Today is Saturday, 18th day of January 2021. This is my second video of the year. If this is the first time you're watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. And if you are watching my video and want to learn from me, then you chat me up. On the body of this video, you will see my phone number. The number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. You chat me up. I have two Telegram channels. They are free. There, I share chats like this. From time to time, I share trade setup. Imagine I shared this, all this move, I shared it. And all this move again, this will happen, but not yet confirmed. Elliott Wave is the best way to trade forex. Imagine knowing this will happen, and it later happened. I mean, what again do you want to learn? You know this will happen, it happened. I know the market will come to this zone, it came. Then I know again it will drop, and it will surely drop. So all these things we can teach you if you join our class. We have two free channels. Then one is for students. I don't charge much. If you want to learn from me, I do not charge much. And you pay only once. I don't charge monthly or even yearly. But I can bet you, if you join my class, the way I teach you, within 6 months and 18 months, you will be okay, depending on the time you have. Myself, right now, I have time to teach. So if you join me now, I can teach you. If you have experience, maybe 6 months, you are okay. If you don't have experience, maybe 18 months, you are okay. Even if it's about 18 months, you just pay once. Okay, so let's dive into the business. So now, this is DXY. I know all this will happen. And if you watch my videos in the past, I've been showing it. I've been showing it. So now, this is nothing to happen. So now, I going to sell immediately? No. There must be a confirmation. The market can still go up higher. Or let me go to the lower time frame. This is for this is 4 hours. So the possibility of going higher is there, but not yet confirmed. Then what are you going to do if the market goes below this place? If it drops below this place, two things will be involved. It will either make an A, B, C, go up again before the ultimate dropping. But if it goes below this place and drop very sharp, if it is very sharp, then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if that happens, forget about making a new high. You will either get something like this and continue going down. So know this, and that's how we are going to, that's what we will follow. That's what we are going to follow this time around. So be patient to know what is happening. You either make a new high from here before dropping, or it's make an ABC, go up again before dropping. I don't know what I don't know when that will happen. I'm just trying to monitor the market to know what will happen and when it will happen. That's for DXY. USD card. USD card is making a new high already. You can see it. This is wave 3, ABC, wave 4. This can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can come to be an ending diagonal. So we keep watching. Right now, I'm no longer buying USD card. I want to sell. Because once the sale starts, it will give us thousands of pips. It will keep selling and selling and selling and selling. And probably possibly make a new low. Or let me check the daily chart. Once the selling starts, you can be sure you might get a new low, or at least we get maybe near 1.24, near 1.22. But the selling will be massive. Right now, it doesn't make sense to buy because selling is near. Okay, USD chef. In USD chef, the daily chart suggests that we have two possibilities. First, this is maybe I can call it A, then A, B, C, D, E, triangle. It can be B, then it will drop. Now the question is, will this triangle hold or not? I don't know whether it will hold or not, but what I know is that if I get sell set up, I will sell. And if sell confirms that this triangle will hold. But if we get a correction, it will go up again. Then it becomes an A, B, C. So whichever way, the selling is near. And when they begin to sell, they will sell massively. Yeah, so let me go back to 4-hour charts. So 4-hour charts, I want to show you the possibility of what we have. So on 4-hour charts, here, just like USD card, it can be an A, B, C. Then it will make a new high before the selling starts. But if it drops before making a new high, and the dropping is very sharp, then it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, C, then consider continues. So having explained this, other page will be just not what that. So you know USD, you know USD and DSY go opposite direction. So now one might truncate, yes. This DSY can make a new high, while USD will not make a new low. Because looking at it, if you go down to 1 hour, this can be an impulse. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So it can be an impulse, or you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be A, B, C. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it means that a drop towards this place, we begin to buy again. Then the new low not happen. But if it is an ABC, then a new low is bound to happen. In this type of scenario, what will you do? Just try to be careful. You may wait and not sell. You may wait and not buy. Okay. But if you know what the price setup is, what I will do, and what I will do on the VIP this session is, if the price drop to this zone, I will go down to 15 minutes and look for buy setup. If I don't see it, then I leave it. I know it will make a new low. But if I see buy setup on 15 minutes charts, then we buy from here. We always buy from a better price. Okay. So that's how we do it. Pounds USD. Pounds USD look more like correction than Euro USD. You can see this is a nice structure of A, B, C. So there's no doubt this can be that we can have another maybe ending diagonal. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 A, B, C. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it may be an ending diagonal and give us a new low. I don't know. But if it turns out to give us a sharp move, then it means that what we have here is wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 again, wave 2 again, then 3, 4, 5, then 3, A, B, C, 4. So you know how we count it, if you know. So keep watching. What is that whenever you enter, the buying will be so massive. So don't be in a haste, because if you be in a haste, you might be losing money before the buy will mature. You have lost a lot of money. You can even be discouraged, or you can even blow your account. So if you don't know how to spot a buy setup, set it up, you better use their money, pay little money and learn than trading blindly. Trading without knowledge is like gambling. So do you see now, I draw this thing knowing that it will actually buy from here. So, but this is like USD. It can be 5 waves. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be A, B, C, A, B, C. So whichever way, I'm watching it to know whether I will buy it or not. So for now, whenever market is at a turning point, a major turning point, carefulness is required. Else you keep losing and losing and losing. Before the market will mature, you have lost confidence in trading it. Neither the USD, the same situation. A new low is possible. A new low might not happen. So whichever way, the market will decide, not me. My duty is to know when to buy and know when to sell. I share it with my subscribers, and I share all with those in my VIP and students group. JB225 is making 3 waves. Let me go to 4 hours. It's making 3 waves. Okay, so and if this move here is a wave A, then whatever happening here is wave B. In that case, we are going to get a big drop. But if this is an A, B, C, maybe we are getting leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, C, then buy again. So in any case, currently we are selling. You will likely see this A, B, C. You will get another A, B, C, then another either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we watch to know whether it will keep dropping or it will go up. For now, I cannot buy JB225 now because I don't scalp. Scalpers can buy anytime, sell anytime. But now I'm watching it to know whether it will sell from here, whether it will make a bigger move, maybe something like this, before I will now sell. So I want to see something like this, A, B, then I will say we'll see. JPY, what you have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like wave A. If this is wave A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then look for A, B, C. Then you sell again. If you miss a sell from here, if you miss the sell, that was set up here. If you miss it, another one was here, another one was here. Though I don't encourage selling when the terminal point is near. You see the target. Here is the target. The market entered the target and is reversing. So right now, there will be another setup. I don't know whether it will come to this place or maybe it will begin to sell before coming to this target zone. So whichever one it happen. All I know is that whenever I see setup, I will sell because Yempe have been going up for a long time. So normally it will correct. And the correction will also be huge. USDJPY, the same situation. This to me is the first drop. You can call it wave A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A. So I'm expecting A, B, C. Then I will sell again. I sold from here. I closed it around here. Before this happened, then this is happening. I will sell again. Because why? Why am I selling? Let me go to daily. We might get a big drop we don't expect. What am I saying? We might get a drop that will do something like this. So that is, we will get W. This can be with X, then Y. So this can happen, but not sure it will happen. You know, this is daily chart. It can happen, it may not happen. Right now, sell setup is what I'm looking for. So if you haven't, Found JPY. The same situation. We can see a clear 5 waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave N or wave 4 or 5. It can be any of them. So I'm looking for it to give me a correction upwards. Then now we sell. Remember, this is another possibility, a big drop. So pounds yen might be selling down to 172, 170, 168, 166. You might get this type of selling. Remember, when this happened, I wonder how many of you caught this sharp drop. I caught some. I didn't cut some. So if you want to, whatever market is delaying, this type of move will likely happen. So, and what happened here is somehow similar to it. You see the sharp drop. It's similar to it. Hopefully another one will see happen again. Okay. So that's for pounds JPY. Let us go to gold. Gold. Let me go to daily on gold. There are things on gold. We have two possibilities. Gold will give us this move. Gold might still go up further, 2007-86 to 2008-11 before dropping. But lower time frame, let me go to 4 hours. Lower time frame suggests that gold will go up higher. And if it want to go up higher, it will react. Let me go to 1 hour. What happens here will determine whether gold will go up higher. If gold doesn't make a sharp move, if it makes a sharp move, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B, C. It will sell again. But if it keep going slowly down to this zone, then watch out for this move before the big move starts. The big move selling will surely happen, but you need to be patient and monitor it. Because what I'm seeing here look like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4, wave 5 for the big move. Okay? So knowledge is important. When you get the knowledge, you will relax and make the money. Silver. My view on silver is that we are getting WXY. So this is a kind of wave A. So this ABCW, ABCS, ABCY. Wave Y can be 5 waves, it can be 3 waves. So don't make no mistake about it. All I know that silver will drop and buy again before the ultimate selling. So you might see silver drop to 9,800, 9,900, or maybe 30,000. Then it will buy again towards 31,100, 31,500 before the ultimate selling. Silver will sell down towards silver will likely sell down towards 27, 26, 800, 2700 zone before the buying starts. So now I may share this one on free chat, I may not, but all I know is that I share free setups from time to time. Before I share 7 or 8 on my premium group, I share 1 or 2 on free. So join my free channel, you will regret it. Platinum, last week, I remember last week, I said, when this happened, I said, watch out for the taste of this channel that we will likely buy from here. But the buying is happening now, but I think the buy will do correction. sell again before the big buying starts. Okay, and because silver and gold will not be selling, then this will be buying. It may buy, but the buy will always be momentary. Okay, so let's go to oil. Oh, you remember for weeks now, or even months, I've been saying that oil will drop to maybe below 60 or towards 60. Now you can say that it didn't happen. Well, whether it happened or not, that is forecast. From what we see, we project what will happen next. And I keep saying it always, I don't control the market, I only make forecasts. Now it can still happen, no. Now it can still happen. But if oil goes above $84, then forget about going down again as a forecast. So now, what I'm showing you this is that oil is still within correction. This is so WXY. It's a corrective move. And the zone, the terminal zone, it has entered the zone. This is 9.8 and 82.9. So depending on what happens inside here. Now, what again? This move can turn out to be an impulse. For instance, we might get a little correction here. We make if you see a big move again, then this can't be WXY again. It's become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why I said if it goes above this place, forget about going down again. Then if it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you look for ABC, you buy again. But I doubt if this will happen. Well, market will decide. Whatever happens next week, we say whether oil will still sell a big time or not. Today, I'm giving free education to them. If you have them, if you are fast, you'll be grabbing it. If you're not fast, you'll be missing it. So going down to, let me just go down to 1 hour because I like trading oil. I like trading oil a lot. So oil, I want to sell oil. If oil comes to this box, if oil comes to this box, I will go down to 15 minutes and look for sell setup. I don't just sell because it came here. Know that, meanwhile, you might be doing it. It will be working with you. But I like to trade when market is confirmed. For instance, if you are following trading within the box, you'll be making money because it entered here, it's now selling. It will enter here again and keep selling. Sometimes the market will begin to sell or buy without giving you setup. So if you keep selling within the box, you might be lucky making money, but I don't believe in luck. Luck works. You can be lucky, but don't depend on luck alone. Get the skill, get the knowledge. So that is it. So I wanted for it to sell from here, either as correction or as impulse. If it's just as an impulse, I'll be glad because I know it will begin to drop lower and lower as I forecast from some weeks ago and some months ago. So now let's look at US 100, NASDAQ 100. On that, we can see that NASDAQ is making a corrective pattern. Let me zoom the chart. So we see after all this move, this look like this look like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So I assume that wave 4 is not yet finished. Now, why do I say so? This move have been happening for a long time, and correction takes more time than impulse. So I think this wave 4 is still unfolding. Now, make no mistake about this. It don't mean that you go on and sell. You don't do that. Myself, I don't do that. What I label it and show you this is what I expect to happen. It's true, it's happened all the time, or most of the time. You see here, it's happened. Many instances. Sometimes it's fair. I'm just trying to protect you from making unnecessary losses. So now, this wave 4 might have completed here. Then how do you know that? That's one. I can't teach you that one for free. So leave that one now. I can join the class. I teach everything, but I'm expecting it to drop, buy, and sell again. That's what I do on US 100. SB 500. the same situation is here. I still expect it to drop before it will buy, before the big drop. Big drop has not happened. So maybe it may keep buying from here before it will give us this, before big drop. Okay, so I don't know how to explain it to you. If you don't know how wave works, you need to learn. You will start one of the places I like to trade. Okay, I target this, that it will turn back from here. So that now I'm watching for sell it up to sell again. For me, the selling is not yet over. Okay, you may sell from here, just like you can see my box. It's coming here, begin to sell. It's coming here, it might begin to sell again. It may come here and do this before selling. That's why I look for setup. You see here, it touches here and begin to buy. So it may be working for you. But as I said, I don't depend on luck alone. I use my skills and I play safe. For instance, now, this is German dice. If you are fond of selling when it comes to the box, you can see it's sold. And if you really close it, taking it will keep selling. Because my thing is that it will drop to this zone before buying again. You can see it is still buying. And funny enough, the reversal zone is very big on this one. This reversal zone is based on daily, so it's very big. It can keep going and going and going. It may go half of it before dropping. So, but what I'm trying to say, I will sell this, but I must sell setup. That's my rule. Now, it's bought from the box. I was box here, but I didn't put the box. Then I want to sell this because I see this as the first drop. So it will likely give us ABC or XY, but no sell setup yet for now. Okay, I think that's the last pair I will analyze. Let me go to Bitcoin. Oh, LJPY. I made a lot of money on this pair last week. Oh, LJPY, JPY gave me lots of money. Oh, okay, let's go to Bitcoin. Wow. Bitcoin, I always have targets, but sometimes the target is not hit. My target on Bitcoin was here. It didn't come here, and it is buying. What's my next target on Bitcoin? My next target is this box between 114 to 124,000. Is my next target on Bitcoin. There's another one I don't want to show you. That one, okay, let me show you. That one is this place. 143 to 166 is still high. Okay, remember this journey started from 16,000. Remember from 16,000 to where we are now. You can see it 16,000. This is where it started. And you can see my buying box, it bought from here. It bought from here. And the ones I have removed. So now, when will you buy Bitcoin? It will be difficult for you because I may not be able to point it out to you. Okay, now see another example. This is my target. See, I didn't buy this. I didn't buy all this because I have a target. It didn't meet. It just made a little move down, go up again. So I leave it. There are so many ways to trade. So if I didn't catch this one, I'll catch this one. Okay. So now, what will we see? And we know that Bitcoin is good to go. To be honest with you, it's difficult. Then if you want to trade Bitcoin, you need to be careful. Don't risk much because Bitcoin is very volatile. People move with sentiment. Since Trump won, Bitcoin will have been very volatile. And some days it will be swearing in. I don't know how the market will react to that. So Bitcoin can make a sharp move up, sharp move down. So be conscious of that. Okay, so likely if you drop to this zone, I'll look for buy setup. If it didn't drop, I'm gonna keep watching it until I get nice setup. That's how I trade. I'm not in a haste. And it's not the most that I will trade a particular market, not the most. Okay, so I use people a lot. So this is another buy zone on Bitcoin. This is another buy zone. Okay, 95K, 97K, 99K, 100K. So it may drop to this zone and begin to buy. It may drop to this zone, do this, and begin to buy. Whichever way, don't risk too much. Don't risk too much. That's all I can tell you. And that's the end of today's video. Bitcoin is leading all the coins. So when it buys, others buy. This is Ethereum. Or this drop was unexpected drop. Wow. Ethereum. I got this sharp drop on Ethereum. So what's happening? Ethereum Bitcoin is making a new high. Ethereum is not. Why? What's happening here? It's been long. I visited Ethereum. Meanwhile, you see, knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Last time I came to Ethereum, I made this buzz saying it will be safe from there. Knowledge is power. It gives me joy. The knowledge I have on web analysis. You can see I made this this happen. It happened almost exactly as I made it. So I don't know why. Ethereum is dropping. Why Bitcoin is buying? Why? Okay, no problem. Maybe it will make something like this, something like this. Who knows? Okay, so I will end the video. Litecoin is doing well. After this drop, it's doing well again. Maybe a little drop again. A new high will be made. BNB, BNB. Last time I came, this is what I said will happen. It didn't happen. It keeps doing sideways. All these things is correction. So sometimes we will see it cross 800 again. So for now, I want to focus on Bitcoin. SRP, my coin. Oh, when SRP was 0.3, I was saying that one day SRP will go to $3. It has fulfilled and keep going. SRP is one of the brightest coin we had, but because of lawsuits and other fundamental issues, they couldn't move. Now they are free to move. Imagine when I made this forecast I think last year or thereabout. I have forgotten. So now I have surpassed it and keep going. Wow. Okay, I have taken much time. I've ended the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, join my channel, ask questions, join my student VIP group. That money you are losing in trading, take part of it to learn. It's funny, we tell people to pay little money to learn. They say it is too costly. But before you know it, you see they complain that they lost times 10, times 5 of what they would have paid to learn. Thank you and God bless you.